This is the elevator at the legal building in Asheville, North Carolina. Listen to that. To 6. 6 locked, 5. Let's go down to the lobby. 1989. Older Series 1. Not sure if this is Relay Logic or Elevonic 401. It's got that Elevonic 401 speaker right there for the voice, but it doesn't work. Seriously do not know what that noise is, but we're gonna go up to 5. No cameras in here. Basement. The door bangs. Classic leveling. Let's go to lobby. You're on lobby. Button already went out. Don't know what that noise is. There it goes. That's it.